So here's my Suzuki LS650, and I have had a drive belt squeal on this great motorcycle, other than that, for years. I tried belt dressing, I tried silicone lubricant, I tried candle wax, I tried everything. Of course, I tried to make sure that the belt tension was right, and I understand that if you can do this quite freely, turn it 90 degrees, that the tension is right. I also made sure that the drive belt was centered as fairly square as I could get it on the rear pulley and not pressing tight up against one side or the other. But what really fixed it finally in the end was this. Yep, a little wire brush. And what I did was go over every single sprocket on the drive belt a couple of times, and I found that each time I did it, a whole lot of dust and dirt came off, more than I would ever have imagined. Impacted dirt and grime and dust, sand and so on. If you look closely, you can see marks on the front pulley which show that it's been wearing and rubbing and grinding. I suspect that the belt dressing I put on first, stupid mistake, actually ended up being a sort of an adhesive for the dirt and grime and dust. Anyway, long story cut short, no more squeals, runs perfectly, no problem whatsoever. Highly recommended.